Making payments for a US visa application from Canada is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Before making the payment, you must fill out the DS-160 non-immigrant visa application form on the US Department of State's Consular Electronic Application Center or CEAC website. Make sure to note down the application ID, as you will need it for the payment process. Create a profile on the U.S. Visa Information and Appointment Services website. Visit the U.S. Visa Information and Appointment Services website for Canada and create a profile if you haven't already done so. Log into your profile using your credentials. After logging in, schedule a visa appointment at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in Canada. Follow the instructions provided on the website to select the visa type, preferred location, and appointment date. Once you have scheduled your appointment, you will need to pay the visa application fee. The payment process may vary slightly depending on the visa type and location, but generally, you can pay using one of the following methods. This is the most common method. Log in to your profile on the U.S. Visa Information and Appointment Services website and navigate to the payment section. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details, such as credit card information, and complete the transaction. Some applicants may have the option to pay the visa application fee at a designated bank. You will receive instructions on how to make the payment at the bank, including the required payment slip or reference number. Depending on the specific visa category and location, additional payment methods such as EFT or payment at a designated payment center may be available. After successfully making the payment, print the payment confirmation receipt or save it as a PDF. This receipt is necessary to show proof of payment during your visa interview. On the scheduled appointment date, attend your visa interview at your U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Bring all required documents, including your passport, DS-160 confirmation page, appointment confirmation, and payment receipt.